Hello everyone, this is another type of problem in regression analysis. If the data is given like this, table data is given like this, how to find the regression line x on y, y on x. If the two regression lines are given, how to find the bxy, byx, everything we find, we just now we saw. Now in the same way, if the given data is given, if some data is given, how to find two regression lines and the remaining. Now I'll read the question first. The following table gives the normal weight of kids during the first 8 years of life. Normal weight of kids during the first 8 years of life. Age, weight. It's 0 age, 5 kg, something like that. 1 year, something like that. Second year, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth year. Weight. Now what we have to find? Obtain two lines of regression. Second one, estimate the weight of a kid at the age of 4 years. Estimate the weight of a kid at the age of 4 years we need to find. Now to do this one, we need what we need, we will see. We know that a regression line y on x is, we know the formula y minus y bar is equal to the regression line y on x is equal to, by heart the formulas, y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar, where x bar and y bar are the means. Now bxy, what is bxy, byx? Just now I show you. Byx is equal to sigma x, xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by sigma xi minus x bar whole square is a regression coefficient. Byx regression coefficient. Now first we will write the formula line regression x on y. This is the line of regression y on x. In the same way x on y also we will see. X minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. What is bxy? This is the formula. Now using the given data, we will draw the table like this and then we will find x bar, y bar. Now the table is age of a kid, age years x, weight y, the first x, y. Now after that x minus x bar, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, and x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. What is x bar, y bar? Sigma x by n. X bar means sigma x, means add all these things. Add all these things, you will get 32 divided by number of observations. How many observations are there? Number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. See, x bar is equal to sigma x by n. 32 by 8 is equal to 4. Y bar is equal to y bar. Sigma y. Sigma y means add all the summation of y. All are these things. Sigma y by n. Number of observations n is equal to 8. 104 by 8 is equal to 13. Now x minus x bar. X minus x bar means x minus 4. Y minus y bar means y minus 13. If you find, you will get like this. X minus x bar whole square. X minus 4 whole square. Y minus 13 whole square. If you have to do x minus x bar into y minus y bar. X minus 4 into y minus 13. This one. Now add all these things. If you get here 0, then only your problem is correct, otherwise wrong. Find out x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square, x minus x bar into summation. Find all these three summations. Summations x minus x bar whole square, summation y minus y bar whole square, summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar is 130. And after that we will write the formula once again. From the above table, sigma x is equal to 32, sigma y is equal to, from the above table, sigma x is equal to 32, sigma y is equal to 104, x minus x bar is 0, sigma y minus y bar 0, x minus x bar whole square is equal to 60, y minus y bar whole square is equal to 284, this is equal to 130. Like this we have got. Now regression coefficients byx, formula, substitute, you will get bxy, write on the formula, substitute, you will get lines of regressions, y lines of regression y on x, x on y we will find. Y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar is equal to y minus y bar is 13 into byx into x minus 4. Y minus 13 is equal to 2.167 into x minus 2 into 4 is this one. Therefore y is equal to minus 13, if you send this side, plus 13, you will get like this. Therefore this is the y on x. X on y. X minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. x minus 4 is equal to bxy is 0.458 into this one. Therefore, x is equal to this one. Now the second bit is the weight of a kid at the age of 4 is estimating weight of a kid. Weight of a kid means find y when x is equal to 4. What is the meaning of that? Estimate weight of a kid. Weight of a kid we are assuming as y. Weight of a kid means find y when x is equal to 4. Therefore, in this one, y is equal to, in this equation we have got na, in this, therefore y is equal to, substitute x is equal to 4. We use y on x regression line. Y is equal to 2.167 x plus 5.668. This one, in this one substitute x is equal to 4. Substitute x is equal to 4 and simplify, you will get the weight of a kid at the age of 4 is 14.336 kg, something like that. Like this you have to do, very very important problem. This one also go through. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Angle between two lines of regression. Angle between two lines of regression. Equation of the line of regression y on x is this one, we know. The regression line x on y on x is this one, x on y is this one. X minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x by sigma into y minus y bar. Now that is equal to what we are doing. Slope of the equation 1 is slope of the equation 1 m1 is equal to m2. Equation to slope, I am taking as slope. Tan theta is equal to slope of the equation 1 is slope of the equation 2 is m2 is equal to, if theta is the angle between two lines, then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2.